Here we have our wig, which is unfortunately cheap as fuck and has no way of really fitting the head. But don't you worry, because we have string. What you're going to do is just cut off a generous amount, tie off the ends so that it doesn't unravel. And we're going to be doing this at the base of the wig, so from here to here. If your wig is super cheap, like mine is, it should have this really wide open mesh, so it will be fairly easy to just string your yarn through the holes. And you're just going to loop it through all the way to this point. Once you're done, be sure to have the strings going into the wig. That way, when you go to tie it up, it'll be on the inside and not the outside. With that, all you have to do is put on your wig, adjust the size to fit your head, tie the strings together, and then tuck it under the wig cap, and you'll be good to go. Be sure to not cut the strands once you're done adjusting it to fit your head, because it's pretty hard to put the wig back on once you've taken it off, so you will have to untie, readjust every time you switch in and out of your wig, but it's well worth it. Like this video, be sure to like and subscribe and click on the notification button, and hey, look out, because by the end of this week I'll be posting another wig video about how I'm able to turn this into hopefully a better looking wig.